Okay, I've finally reached this place that I wanted to reach, and I moved right in the morning from a place called Bhavani Patna, and I have been very excited to be here. Behind me is the famous Chitrakoot Falls of Chhattisgarh. This is located in a place called Bastar. The Chitrakoot Falls is originally one of the largest falls of India. And right now I have come in the dry season, and so it looks a lot smaller, but as you can see, the entire thing, the entire rocks that you can see will be covered in water during the monsoons, and it becomes like the Niagara of India. At least that is what they call it. Believe me, being beside it in all its grandeur, as close as possible, is something really out of this world. The sound itself is almost very meditative. And this is going to be my view for tonight and tomorrow morning. And that is amazing. And that is why I made this trip. Also, I wanted to share something else with you guys. I came across this tribal looking mandir which I had never seen before. Now, I just thought you guys would be interested in seeing something like this, and so I'm sharing this. It was something that I myself had seen for the first time. And I also discovered that the roads through Chhattisgarh and Odisha to Bastar were amazing, and it was awesome riding on these roads. Okay, also certain things that I want to tell you, While I've been traveling here, certain things have happened. Like after I crossed Kolkata and the more I came this side, I started being a namuna, I guess, or looking like a namuna. One of the guys actually invited me for lunch on the roadside by stopping me, and he was like very excited. You're going for biking and all. I declined the offer, obviously, because firstly it would be dangerous, although that guy looked very genuine. The other one is like the guy that I stayed, the hotel that I stayed in Jharkhand, that guy did not know where Darjeeling was. He said, Darjeeling India mein hai? And I was like, yeah, bro, like, look at I've just given you an Indian ID. I mean, what do you expect? And then I actually had to explain certain things to him. And I asked him, like, Gorkhaland ka naam suna hai? Gorkhaland movement naam suna hai? He was like, kahin pe suna hai types. His eyes looked like that. And I was like, wahi jagah hai. So he was like, okay. And the Bhavani Patna place, the place in Bhavani Patna, they asked me for a passport, man. I mean, wherever I go this side of the country, I see this side of Odisha and Chhattisgarh, I can see it is completely a tribal belt. And people look at me like मैं कोई नमूना हूँ, like पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया types. On the highway the other day, one guy is like, आपके जैसे लोग यहाँ पे भी बहुत है. And I'm like, what? That's somewhere in Odisha. And like, आपके जैसे लोग यहाँ पे भी बहुत है. And I was like, मेरे जैसे लोग. I knew that he was trying to be polite and not to call me either a Nepali or anything that he might get it wrong, either any northeastern, right? So like, कहाँ पे है? He's like 7 kilometers आगे. And even I am surprised, like 7 kilometers आगे is just like right there, right? And I'm like, क्या करते हैं वो लोग? He's like, police में है. And I'm like, oh, okay, I get it. This is where I would be sleeping tonight. They would be pitching my tent on the upper floor. Now I know it's indoor tenting at a place like this, but I have no complaints. और भाई लोग क्या हालचाल?
बढ़िया है भैया, खाना बना रहे हैं हम लोग, सब्जी काट रहे हैं। आग से बनाएंगे हम लोग, गांव वाले आग से बना खाते हैं।
हाँ यार, मेरा खाना बन रहा है आज। मेरे को बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे, कसम से मजाक नहीं कर रहा। So that's why my food is being cooked. That's how it's being cooked, and that's by whom it's being cooked. It's literally amazing, huh? And I'm just all by myself, man, tonight over here. These people cooking for me and me spending time with them was an amazing thing. I mean, we were literally talking about so many things. It was fun. आप इधर बैठ जाओ. हाँ, आप इधर बैठ जाओ.
मैं उस साइड आ जाता हूँ उधर.
आ जाओ.
आप खाना
हाथ में, हाँ, हाथ में पकड़ के.
बड़े गिलास लग रहे हैं.
And soon it was time to say goodnight. The next morning was quite a disappointment, not the way I imagined it. But I still decided to go down to the riverbank and see what it's like out there. It was time for me to take one last look, climb back up, and say goodbye to my newfound friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog.